Glad to see you again. It's time for Number Corner. Today is September 9th, 2020. So we're going to turn over our 9th calendar piece here. We've been doing a pattern, if you remember, and it's followed this pattern: circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, square. And that has shown up again. So what do you think today's pattern piece is going to be? Think about it. When you've got it, hold it in your head. Are you ready to find out? Okay, drum roll, please. And it is a blue circle again. And that is the number 9. Our 9s have a straight line going down the side, and I will show you how to write a 9 in just a few minutes. So we're going to put that back up here. Let's count and see how many pieces we have turned over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we've been following the pattern: circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle. We're going to pause for a second. All right, I'm back. Had to check on somebody outside, make sure they were okay. Let's go over the days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we look at the 9 and we go straight up. It goes to the day that starts with the W. Could that be Monday? Does Monday start with the W sound? No. Does Wednesday start with the W sound? Yes, it does. So September 9th, 2020. We'll go back over our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and down below, November and December. I forgot to make sure the camera shows it. Okay, we're going to stay here for a few. Nope, we're moving over. Are you ready? We're moving to our A. We're still here. Here we go. Okay, we're going to add our sticker onto our tent frame. So I'm going to add another blue sticker here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red ones and 1, 2 blue ones. So 5 plus 2 equals 5, 6, 7 dots today. And we're going to add another link on. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to write a 7, we are going to slide to the right and slant it down. And I will show you a big one. We're going to erase our 6 from yesterday and add a 7. So once again, slide to the right, slant it down to make the number 7. Now, we've got to go on to the calendar collector. We're starting a new week, so we're going to spin, and it landed on, that's right, a 3. So we're going to count out 3 cubes on my hand. 1, 2, 3. And as mathematicians, we double check to make sure we have the right amount. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to take those 3. We're going to put them in week 2 pocket because we're starting a new week. Add that there. So we have our 9 from here. Miss B will get the number up, I promise. Okay. So the last thing we're going to do is Hap's going to do a little hopping on his number line. After we get this out of the way. So I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. Scooch a little closer. Okay. And take our arrow off here. I want you to be able to see. So we're going to help Hap hop Say, hi, Hap. We're going to hop Hap from the beginning. So what number is that? You're right, 1. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't have any more uncovered, so we're going to stop at 9. So, but guess what? Hap has to hop backwards now. So we're going to start at 9 and then go back to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, Hap's going to start from a number Miss B picks, and her favorite number is 3. So Hap's going to start from 3 and count forward. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're doing wonderful. We're going to start from 5 this time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, I need you to close your eyes because I'm going to cover up some numbers. You ready? No peeking. Okay, we covered up some numbers. Can you help me figure out what those numbers are? So, you ready? We'll have Hap help us. What number should be here to start? You're right, a 1. Let's see if it's behind here. You're right. Here we go. 1, 2. I heard you. Let's see if you're right. It was a 3. 4. Ooh, let's see if you're right. There you go. You're right. It's a 5. 6. Oh, I heard a 7 yelled very loudly. It is. 8. Right. 9. You did a wonderful job, Cookies. And we are done. Don't forget, practice counting and reading your numbers.